Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. It can help you burn fat and lose weight, as well as improve your health and well-being. However, there are some common mistakes that you should avoid when doing intermittent fasting, such as 1. Ignoring your hunger cues and forcing yourself to fast when you are not ready. 1. This can lead to binge eating, mood swings, and hormonal imbalances. 1. You should listen to your body and find a fasting schedule that works for you and your lifestyle. 1. Eating unhealthy foods during your eating window. 1. This can negate the benefits of fasting and cause weight gain, inflammation, and nutrient deficiencies. 1. You should eat nutritious foods that are rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. 1. Skipping essential nutrients such as water, electrolytes, and vitamins. 1. This can cause dehydration, headaches, fatigue, and muscle cramps. 1. You should drink plenty of water, add some salt or lemon to your water, and take a multivitamin supplement if needed. 1. Not staying hydrated during your fasting window. 1. This can affect your metabolism, digestion, and appetite. 1. You should drink water, tea, coffee, or other calorie-free beverages during your fasting window, and avoid drinks that contain sugar, cream, or artificial sweeteners. 1. Finding the right exercise balance. 1. Exercising too much or too little can affect your weight loss and health. 1. You should find a type and intensity of exercise that suits your goals and energy levels, and avoid overtraining or undertraining. 1. Being impatient and expecting immediate results. 1. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change that can help you achieve your long-term goals. 1. You should be consistent and persistent with your fasting, and measure your progress by using multiple indicators, such as your weight, body fat percentage, waist circumference, blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. These are some of the common mistakes to avoid when doing intermittent fasting. By following these tips, you can ensure a more effective and sustainable fasting experience. Remember, intermittent fasting is not for everyone, and you should always consult your doctor before starting any new diet or exercise program, especially if you have any medical conditions or take any medications. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.